Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, this is How to Solve, and now I'm going to teach you how to fix your eFootball 2023 not being compatible with your phone. So the first thing we need to do is go to our Play Store and search eFootball 2023, the game. So as you can see, the game is compatible on my phone. Now let's check the game. So click on About this game, scroll down, and as you can see, the game required an OS of Android 7.0 and up. So that means if your phone is not Android 7.0 and up, the game is not compatible in your phone. But I will show you 3 steps on how to fix this. So the first thing we need to do, or the first step, is to update our Play Store. So let's go back and go to our profile. Now click on Settings and click on About. In here, we can see the Play Store version, and we have to click on Update Play Store and click Got It. So that's the first step. Now the second step is to check your phone version. Now to do that, go into your phone settings, scroll down and look for About device, and then scroll down and look for Android version. So my Android version is 12, so that means that the game is compatible on my phone. Now the last step, or the third step, is to install the game in Google Chrome. So let's go to Google and search for the game. Okay, so let's search eFootball PES 2023 APK download for Android. Now let's click on the first one, or whatever you like. Just click on the first one and hit download APK. And that's just it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.